What is up, guys? Today we are doing an install in San Antonio. For this specific project, the homeowner was pinned in a way by the insurance. They let them know that if they don't replace their roof, their coverage will not be extended. So that is currently what they're doing. They're getting their roof replaced to make sure that they have coverage through their insurance. Let's go talk with our site supervisor and see what they're up to.
Hi guys, my name is Mauro with Bison Roofing. I'm the site supervisor for today's project. Here currently we're patching up some rotted decking. We like to patch this up before we install the new roof. Let's go see what the technicians are doing on this side. The job is to ensure that no overdriven nails, the rotted decking's taken care of, and synthetic underlayment is installed.
So yeah, guys, if you have any questions or concerns about your roof, structure, decking, anything like that, feel free to reach out.